Ah, this is the millionaire adda where all the millionaires hang out. It's a big boat. So yeah, that side we have a Museum of Islamic Art. After that, Yamae Park, and then we get to the Old Port. Okay. There's a mini district Corniche, so it's like a edge area. So we are going there now. One thing, it's very tiring. Like you get really tired to walk all the way around there. Every nearby place is like 1 kilometer, and this distance we travel, you need to have around the 5 Qatari riyals. So yeah, it's really hard. So we need to plan accordingly. Probably book a cab always, or there are scooters available, so you can check that also. So this is the Old Doha Port, where all the ships, stay for night. And you see those colorful containers over there? Those are from the ship containers. They just made it like a big spot. Yeah, let's head over there. One thing is certain in Qatar, okay, and that is all these buildings you can see, right? Those look amazing during the night. So all these spots, whatever you see, you have to visit again at night because it will be lovely. I hope you can see those buildings, right? Those skyscrapers. Probably tomorrow we'll go there. Okay. Tomorrow we'll reach. But for now, let's take the view. These lines, look at this. Unique, right? Now look at this art. It's so amazing. The street itself is like old, ancient kind of a theme. Here we have, and here a huge cruise. Let's go downstairs. So this is Old Doha Port. Nice. Such a nice view. This is what I want. Look at this. The complete view. The huge ship and everything. Back to one. Wow. Let's take a walk. Yeah, seagulls. Never seen the seagulls so close before. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells rock. Jingle bells, jingle bells rock. Woo! Once in a lifetime, right? Nice. Such wonderful spots they have there. Such amazing spots. Look at this. Nice. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. Jingle bell, jingle bell.